I am Saili Abnave, student of ZIL Polytechnic Pune, Computer Department. Subject name Computer Peripheral Hardware and Maintenance. Project name Prepare a small report based on technological differences and installation procedures of printers and scanners. Guide name Professor Wadney sir. Project abstract. Printers have also advanced too, and no longer are they just a device for you to just print device. You can use them for scanning, copying, printing out high quality photos and much more. By speaking to a company that offers a managed print solution, you can also see how can they be real benefit to your business. The printing press allows us to share large amount of information quickly and in a huge number. In fact, the printing press is so significant that it has come to be known as one of the most important innovations in our time. Difference between printers and scanners. Printers and scanners are entirely different devices where a printer is an output device while scanner is an input device. The notable difference between them is that printer processes the soft copy and produces hard copy. On the other hand, the scanner does the inverse of printer where the printed hard copied material is converted into soft copy. Basis for comparison: printer scanner is basics produces the output over a paper, takes input from a paper, type of the device, output device, input device. Additional features can work on any type of file extensions. Some scanners can only work with printed document. Working mechanism: digital document is rendered over a paper by creating an impact on charges on a photosensitive material. Illuminating lamp is used on scan head to reflect the light onto the lens, which then focused over a CCD array. Definition of printer. A printer is an output device whose work is to acquire the text and graphics output from the computer and transport the information over a paper. There is a wide variety of printers based on their size, cost, speed, and complex construction. Generally, the cost of printers increases as the quality of printing in terms of the resolutions increases. Due to evolution in technology, the 3D printers are developed which are capable of producing 3D prints of objects. Primarily types of printers. Primarily, all the types of printers are first broadly classified into two types, namely impact and non-impact printers. Impact printers. The impact printer produces image over paper with the help of electromechanical impact devices. Same as the operation of mechanical typewriter. Dot matrix printers, line printers, and daisy wheel printers are the various impact type of printers. Non-impact printer. This is the other type of printer which does not use the hammering effect to print the characters over the paper. Inkjet printers and laser printer falls in this category, where the inkjet uses ink nozzles that eject microscopic ink drops. For understanding each type in detail. Scanner. A scanner is a machine that regenerates an image from a source object, generating an identical image for display or processing. In other words, it is an input device which helps in inserting the documents in the form of solid physical images, document and process them to store in an electronic format that is stored in computer or electronic devices. The working mechanism of scanner includes the analysis of the image and process it in some certain manner. Types of scanner. There are various types of scanners such as flatbed scanner, sheet feed scanner, drum scanner, and handheld scanner. Flatbed scanner. This type of scanner includes glass plate which below which the document is positioned so that the scanner head would easily move over the document. Sheet feed scanner. In this type of scanner, the movable scan head is used where the paper document is inserted into a roll. Handheld scanner. This scanner are different from the other types of because it requires manually operate the device on the document in order to scan it. However, the image quality of this scanner is not very good as compared to other scanners. Drum scanners. The highly detailed images are scanned by these scanners, which uses a photomultiplier tube for capturing image. It has a glass cylinder over which the document is affixed and a sensor in the middle of the cylinder to bifurcate the light light which is then reflected from the document into three beams. Every beam is passed through a color filter. The printer is a device which renders document over sheet paper. On the other hand, the scanner is used for inverse process. A document before printing it and process it for printing process can be easily edited and altered, while in the case of scanner, the digital document is altered after it's generated by the scanning the solid object. As we know, the most of software produces option for printing the result it produces, hence all types of extensions are supported by printers. In contrast, excluding handheld scanners, all the scanner works with some certain dimensions of page which include length, width and thickness of paper. The working mechanism of an impact printer includes generation of impact over the paper. When it comes to non-impact printers, these include the tiny ink nozzles and resistive heat effect in inkjet printers. In laser printer, photosensitive material and lasers to charge the photosensitive plate negatively are important part of it. After which, with the help of toner, the printed accomplished as against. Scanners work with illuminating lamp, lens and charged coupled device array to convert the printed copy into a digital copy. Thank you.